was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop.
Hey beauties, welcome back to Ivy's Space. So today we will be doing cleaning and decorating for Christmas. So this year I am pretty early. I usually don't decorate this early, but for some reason I got the energy today to clean and cook and also decorate. And I was like, okay, let's just do it since this is the day. I have the energy for it. I don't know if I may have the energy for it another day. And I was like, let's just go. So first, I had to clean the house, make sure everywhere is sparkling clean for Christmas season. So what I'm just doing here is putting all the wash utensils away. Before I always start cleaning, I put on a very relaxing preaching sermon on YouTube. So while I'm cleaning, I'm listening to sermon, and the one that I was listening today was Grace for Purpose. So I didn't really have much to do here today. Like, I don't really have much to clean because I always clean up after myself. When I finish doing something, I like a clean space, I like a clean environment, a clean house. I always clean up after myself right away. I'm not the person that usually wait to clean up. I clean up mostly right away, but sometimes I do have some dishes in the sink because I have kids and they just eat and leave their plates and stuff for me there to wash. So, and that this morning I had a few stuff that I had to clean and wash before I start decorating and getting ready for the Christmas stuff. So what I'm just doing here is just cleaning the countertop, the sink, the cupboard, making sure the sink is well scrubbed, the house is smelling good and is very clean before I start decorating for Christmas. I like to do clean, like a deep clean before changing my decor. I don't know, some people don't, they decorate first and then clean. I clean and I decorate and I end up cleaning again because the mess from bringing all the stuff out and putting them in place. So I'm just cleaning my sink here, cleaning my stove, and yeah, and that is what I'm just doing here at this in this video. So clean guys. What has been the earliest time you have put up or start decorating for Christmas? I think this year I'm super early. We're still in October. I think today was the 28th. Yeah, Saturday, 28th of October, and I decorated the house already. And this time I only decorated the main floor. I'm not doing anything upstairs, just the main floor this year. So now that I was done cleaning, I went ahead to decorate my stair railing. And if you have watched my previous video, and I said the theme for this year is going to be white with a hint of color. So it's supposed to be all white, but I end up adding a hint of color in there, which is a hint of red and light pink in there, but it still turned out the way I wanted it. So this wrap I got from Canadian Tire when it was on sale. I think it was $20 or something like that. And the flower that I end up wrapping around that wrap, I got it from Dollarama the last time I went to Dollarama. So I went ahead to decorate the living room as well. I'm not really doing much this year. I'm keeping it really simple, and yes, that is what I'm doing. I'm just decorating the living room here. I'm spraying the plants, the fake plants that I have in my living room with a fake snow spray that I got from Dollarama. The kids end up being the one decorating the tree. As you can see, they had fun. my two younger kids, they were really happy to help. Now that the older one is getting older, he doesn't really care about it that much, but just for family time, he ended up coming down and help us decorating the Christmas tree. And I end up spraying the Christmas tree with the fake snow spray that I got from Dollarama. I mentioned before, guys, I had to buy those things early because last year I kept it to the last minute because I'm like, I don't need it yet. And by the time I was looking for it, they were all sold out. And yes, so this year I was on time. I got what I wanted. I decorated early this year. I shopped early this year. I'm super early this year. I don't know, for some reason I'm very early, and it's not even my birthday yet. So this is the final look of the decoration. It's decoration, yes. Yeah, it's decoration. This is the final look. It's super simple, super easy. I didn't really spend much time doing this. It was fast. Like I was done within an hour or two, and that was it. So yeah, it didn't really take much. So if you're looking into something very simple and you don't really want to do so much this year, I think this was I think my decoration was great because it's simple, easy, and fast. I had most of the stuff already at home. I didn't have to buy much. I think I only bought only a few stuff, and that was it. So guys, I hope you guys love this video. If you have watched this far and you have not subscribed to my amazing channel yet, please push the subscribe button down below, and also do not forget to push the notification bell so that YouTube will let you know whenever I upload a new video. I'm coming up with a more Christmas content. I'm going to be doing gift ideas with you guys, give back basket idea that you can buy or use for Christmas and things like that. So this is my kitchen decor. As I mentioned, very simple, very easy. I didn't really do much, and yeah, that was all about my home decor. I hope you guys like it. Please leave a comment down below how you guys like my home decor this year, and what are some of the stuff you will be adding to your decoration this year. What is your color theme? If you even have a color theme, what are you planning for this year Christmas? Let me know, and I will be happy to read your comment. And thank you so much for watching this far. I'm going to let you guys go, and please subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.
When the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop, but somehow